Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to reset Shark Robot Vacuum without app. Okay, so we are going to discuss by each step. So, step to perform a hard reset on your Shark Robot Vacuum. First of all, find the reset button, usually at the bottom or near the power button. Press and hold the reset button with a pin or paper clip for 10 seconds until the vacuum turn off and back on, and then release the button when the light flashes. Okay, and a step to perform a factory reset on your Sharp robot vacuum. First of all, turn the vacuum and hold the reset button for 20 seconds until the light flash, and release the button, and the vacuum will reset to its original setting, deleting all the data, and then set up the vacuum as the new device after the reset. Okay, so this is the all step. Thanks guys.